Hey, what's up guys? We made it to Tanzania, Zanzibar. It's a beautiful island we got here yesterday afternoon. Rented a car, drove to Paje, which is the area that we're staying in. This is a beautiful Airbnb resort. And this is like the pool area back here. I think it's like multiple pools depending on which block you're at. But very nice place. New construction, so everything's new. Looks really, really nice. But we have a tour all day. We're gonna check out a couple islands. And then a tour, a little bit of a tour of Stone, what's the name of that area? Stone something, I'll put it in the description, I can't remember. But yeah, it's kind of like the city area. So we're gonna do like a tour of that towards the end and then head back. So it's like a 10, 11, 12 hour day. Not too sure how Jen's gonna hold up because it's very, very hot here and we had a very long night. We didn't go to bed till around 1, 2 a.m. So yeah, let's get it. Made it to Canggu Island, which is also known as Prison Island, and we're gonna do a tour of this island first before going to the next one and then having lunch and snorkeling with the turtles. So that's going to be fun. You want a hug?
Rough skin, but it's soft.
Now we're going to head into the museum, Canggu Island, Prison Island. The crystal clear waters here is amazing. Like as soon as you get out to this island, you can see the water just shift. Even though the water's still beautiful on the mainland, it gets like crystal clear. So we're gonna probably get to see some really good fish and tortoises once we get to the other island. Hey guys, we made it to Nakupenda Beach. So this beach gets submerged underneath water like twice a day with the high tide. And right now we're gonna have some lunch and swim and just enjoy the day. Now they're going to take us to the place where we can snorkel to see maybe some turtles while they set up the tent and start the barbecue, which we'll eat like in 30 minutes. So we have like an hour and a half here, then we head to Stone Town, do like a walking tour for like an hour and a half as well. water's very comfortable. It's like perfect temperature, not too cold, not too warm. Come on, Gene. I wish we could spend most of our time here on this island. There was a separate tour, we could do like a 4-hour tour, which you would spend pretty much the whole time here, but I wanted to see other things as well. But this is very cool. The water's crystal clear. If you go a little further out, you can see like some fish. So we're gonna do that in a little bit. And you can snorkel. So unfortunately, I didn't really see any fish, only very, very small ones out here. But still nice to be out. I wish there was a little bit more sun, but you can see like it's really cloudy to the right. It's fairly decent over here on this side, but just a little bit warmer would be perfect. But it's still very good. It's better than getting like sunburned out here. I thought you made that up. Ding ding. Hey, 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 hey.
Wow. Banana.
So the tree here, we call the jojoba tree, or called jojoba. Jojoba, they use to make an oil, like jojoba oil or jojoba. This is the one to the king, the slave master, also from local villages. Just Larathon as days to show the people how to live. Yeah, and they are 50 men. So I've been here for 2 days without water and food. Yeah, so down here you see the drainage. So many slaves are dead by suffocation in this condition.
Alright guys, we just made it to the turtle sanctuary here in Zanzibar. We're getting changed, but we can see there's quite a few turtles inside the water right now.
This is food. Yeah, they eat the turtle. This is vegetable, this is spinach.
Okay.
Also turtles, they eat the seaweed, jellyfish, and the small fish that have the dead.
Okay. Hey, don't throw it, no, don't throw it yet.
Yeah. Also, I treat them like this.
So like this.
Yeah.
See?
Make sure food should be long.
Okay.
Also, make sure food is not close to your body.
kind of tickles a little bit when they touch you. Gene, don't throw it, hold it.
Also the turtles, they like naked
Yeah, hold it like this.
Yeah.
Gene.
They don't bite, huh?
No, I think so. They bite the food.
Why?
Yeah, give me my phone. I'll take a picture to you.
Okay.
Walk. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
We just finished swimming with the turtles and feeding the turtles about an hour and a half. There's $10 per person for adults, free for kids. And now we're gonna head over to this beautiful beach here. So since we're on the north side of the island, from what I saw online, Nungiwi Beach is one of the most beautiful beaches here because it consistently has like very clear, crystal clear waters. Compared to some of the other beaches on the south or the east or the west, where it kind of depends maybe just on the season, environment, different types of things. So this here has the most clearest water without having to go out to like another island or anything like that. So I think he said we can walk down from here. So let's see if we can get access straight to the beach. This view and water is incredible. It's like the Caribbean. It's so beautiful. It's just so hot. You really can't get out there without getting a really bad sunburn. But we definitely can admire it. If you come a little bit later in the day, like around like 4 or 5, the sun's kind of going down, then you can definitely enjoy it a lot better. Hey guys, the next day we're gonna check out this famous The Rock restaurant, which is like kind of in the ocean. And you need to take a boat to actually get there, but it's very, very close, right offshore. So really you don't need to take a boat. I saw online people were taking like boats. It seemed like it was further out, but I guess it depends on the tide. Right now it's low tide, so it's easy to just walk straight through here. And I think other times of the day, the water's way back here, so you would need to take a little rowboat. This place is pure paradise. It reminds me, especially the color of the water, is that PP Island in Thailand. It was just like this. All these little local fishermen boats along the shore, lots of restaurants, places to snorkel. It's perfect. It's just too hot right now to really enjoy the water. The water's very warm. I don't know, it looks like my sandals broke. But yeah, it's very beautiful here. But I'm not gonna eat here because it's pretty much all seafood. I don't like seafood. So I'm gonna try to find another place to go eat. Hey guys, we made it to the south part of the island near Eden Rock Hotel, a resort. And you have this very beautiful beach here. When you walk through the path, it's an amazing view. Reminds me of that movie, The Beach, with Leonardo DiCaprio, that was based out of, I think it was out of Thailand, if I'm not mistaken. Kind of gives me that same kind of vibe. And it's called Matende Beach. one of the best beaches I've ever been to, I think. This is amazing. I'm so mad I forgot to bring my swim pants. I might just have to go in my gym shorts. Jen is ready in his diaper here. This beach is amazing. This is way better than I was even expecting. And the water's perfect temperature. The rocks block the sun, so it's perfect. So this is going to wrap it up for the Zanzibar video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We definitely enjoyed our time here. We did only 6 days, so pretty quick. And a couple reasons for that. Like initially I wanted to do like a full 7 days, but it was just difficulties trying to find a flight, a good flight anyway, from here to Cape Town, South Africa. So that's our last place in Africa that we'll stay for about 8 days. And then we'll head to Sao Paulo. Spend a few days there since we've never been to Sao Paulo, and then Argentina to stay full time and work on getting our residency. We've been traveling for about 1.5 years. It's been very tiresome, very difficult with the time changes and my work schedule and things like that. So we decided to take a bit of a break and settle down in a place that we love. But after coming to Africa, this kind of gave me like a different like energy where I was like really exhausted before I came to Kenya, and then when I got to Kenya and Nairobi, I just felt like, oh, kind of like a breath of fresh air for me, and I just really enjoyed my time being there and being here in Tanzania, and it made me want to stay longer, and I wish I would have, but yeah, it's just time to go, and it's becoming very, very expensive, especially traveling through Africa. With the plane tickets, the Airbnbs are a lot more pricier, everything. Even more than what we paid when we were in Europe, in Portugal and Spain. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Leave any comments down below of any questions you may have, recommendations of places that we should have been, or places that you've been that you've liked. But we tried to see as much as we could with the short time that we had. And yeah, I give it 5 stars. These beaches are incredible. But yeah, check you guys in the next video. Take care.